Alrighty y'all, welcome back for another video. Today we are going to be checking out and reviewing, we're going to be looking at the results of the Mother's clay bar kit. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is what we're looking at. I picked it up. I wasn't planning on making a video, but I do need some content because this weekend got taken up by replacing the starter, and I had to do a bunch of diagnosis from not this video. I need some content. We're making my car look all pretty. I've never done a clay bar before, so let's go ahead. We've already washed it up. Go ahead, do that, and then you'll be ready to clay bar. Don't clay bar if you've not washed your car. I did it about an hour ago, went and had lunch with my grandma. So you need a clean surface. Go clean your car. Alrighty, just real quick before we get into it, if you could please like and subscribe, it is greatly appreciated and it does vastly help the channel out. So yeah, if you could just please do that. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty, so it's a new day. We're getting ready to go wash the car because, like I said, new day. As you've seen in the last clip, we clay barred the car. Car looks beautiful. Never done that before, so glad I got to do a review on that. It's definitely worth my time and something I would do again. For sure I would do again. I don't even know that this bottle will last me another clay bar for the car. I think it might be a little over half a bottle, or I used a little over half a bottle to do my car. But we're gonna go ahead and wash it up with the Rain-X soap, if you wanna know what I'm using. And then we did the Mother's clay bar. And then we have this little Ryobi orbital polisher tool thing. And then we're gonna go ahead and use the Meguiars Ultimate Compound. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty, so she's looking all pretty, nice and shiny. Done getting washed up. She's dry. We're gonna go ahead and clean up everything else. Then we'll go ahead and get out the little buffing and waxing stuff. You can see it's all reflected and stuff already. Hi, baby. So we've got our Meguiars Ultimate Compound. probably end up using the rest of this, or we'll get about close. There's about half a bottle in here, hoping we don't run out. This is the car that I used on the first part of this bottle, so we should be good. And then I have this little Ryobi orbital polisher, waxer, buffer, whatever. I'll go ahead and throw those links down in the description. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and start on the fender here, and then we'll keep working our way across the car. You guys got the before and afters of the clay bar, and so that's gonna be the same as washing the car. It's got the clay bar, so that's at that stage right now. It's gonna be that level of shininess, and then after we buff the car, wax the car, we'll go ahead and take some more videos, and then we'll do that reflectivity as well. So, good stuff. Alrighty, so that's going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you liked it. We're going to go ahead and get on this exhaust video. Y'all have a good one. Peace.